When our firefighters aren't training or responding to 999 calls, they're busy doing a wide range of other work to make the West Midlands safer, stronger and healthier. We think of our prevention work as upstream firefighting, stopping something happening in the first place. We're determined to bring down the number of cases of arson in the West Midlands and, with our partner organisations, we want to reduce the number of people killed or seriously injured by fire. We focus this prevention work on our most vulnerable residents because we know they're more at risk. But it goes much further than simply fitting smoke alarms, important as they are in every home. The main way we help people at home is with one of our Safe and Well visits. Our firefighters carry out thousands of them every year and are trained to spot danger signs. They help people live safe, healthy and fulfilled lives. During a Safe and Well visit, we give advice on health and well-being where it will lessen the risk of a fire. We can give practical help to smokers and to people living with dementia. We help others to overcome loneliness and social isolation, and we can advise on how to avoid having a fall. When our fire crews meet people who are at extra risk, we've got specialist staff they can call in to give more bespoke support. They might work with elderly people, others with mental health difficulties, someone who's a hoarder. Such people have challenging lives and we work closely with the West Midlands Combined Authority who are also focused on meeting their complex needs. Our prevention work is a vital part of health and social care across the West Midlands. In addition to reducing the risk of fire, it helps to reduce the pressures on local hospitals and health organisations. By working more efficiently with other local organisations, we can help taxpayers' money or the public sector pound go much further here in the West Midlands. We're also working to reduce the number of people killed or seriously injured on West Midlands roads. Together with partners and the West Midlands Combined Authority, we're developing solutions and delivering work that support the regional road safety strategy.